Hello everyone, welcome back to our Twisted Kitchen. Today is another vlog because the owner of a restaurant in Grand Rapids reached out to us and asked if we could do a review for them. So the place that I'm going to today is called Char. They have Asian tacos, they have broth, they have salads, they have vegan options, so that is why we are going today. I'm excited to see what's inside. They are located on 6 Jefferson, which is right off of Fulton in Grand Rapids. So if you are downtown for any sort of events this weekend or next week, definitely stop by 6 Jefferson Street and check out Char. We're gonna go inside right now and see what we can have. They have about 15 toppings that you can put on your tacos, as well as a few different sauces. You will have to ask which ones are vegan. I know that the teriyaki sauce is vegan, so that one is delicious. Otherwise, there are a few others you can choose from. Wow. That was a great choice. The sweetness of this slaw, the crunchiness of this tortilla shell, man, that is a combination for the heavens. That is good. Yeah. Check out Char. How is it?
Honestly, it's great. Got 3 of these, smashing them.
All gone. Boom. Yeah, this place is definitely worth the trip. So I just want to finish this video by saying that food was fucking amazing. Yeah, you should definitely check out Char. You need to try them out because they have vegan tacos, they have vegan broth bowls, they can make you a vegan salad, which most salad is vegan. But I also was told by the owner today that they have vegan fried rice. So there's a lot of different options in there, even though it might not seem like it. So check them out and then let me know. Tell them that Jay sent you. And make sure you try out that teriyaki sauce because that shit is bomb. And don't forget to get a corn tortilla because obviously that's the best one. If you have any sort of a passion for filming of any kind, doing reviews, restaurant reviews, store reviews, anything like that, you should definitely look into getting an iPhone 6s if you have not already, because that's what I use and it works so well. The quality is great, except maybe right now because it's nighttime, but this is what I use. I also use my MacBook. I use iMovie to edit, so you can get a refurbished version of both of those and you will be well on your way to editing amazing videos just like this one here. So check out those links in the description below. Purchase those if you are interested. There's also a couple other goodies down there that you can purchase if you feel the need to do so. Have a wonderful Thursday. I love you all. I will see you next week.